guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you saw our last vlog, we talked about effective communication and why it's so important. Today, we're diving deeper into how good communication helps with conflict resolution, whether it's with friends, family, or at work. Knowing how to handle conflicts the right way can save the relationships. I have my awesome guest with me again, Shaina, Jillian, Mika, and Tael. Alright, let's start with why conflict happens in the first place. What do you guys think? Shaina?
I think misunderstanding are reduced. Sometimes people assume things without clarifying.
How about you, Leia?
Yeah, and different perspective. People say situation differently based on their experience.
Unspoken expectations can also lead to conflict. If you expect something but don't communicate it, it can cause problems.
How about you, Mika?
And emotions sometimes react in the heat of the moment instead of thinking things through.
Great point! So how does effective communication help solve conflicts? Shaina?
Listening is the key. Many conflicts happen because people don't listen to understand. They listen to respond.
What, Leia?
Also, using a statement instead of you statement. Instead of saying you never listen, say I feel unheard when I try to express myself.
Julian?
That's a great tip. And staying calm if we communicate in an aggressive way. It just makes things worse.
Mika?
And asking for clarification instead of assuming. Simple questions like, can you explain what you mean? Can prevent misunderstandings.
Let's break it down into simple steps. If someone in a conflict, what should they do? Shaina?
Step 1, stay calm. Take a deep breath before responding.
Leia?
Step 2, listen actively and try to understand the other person's perspective.
How about Jillian?
Step 3, express yourself clearly and respectfully using I statements.
And Mika?
Step 4, work together to find a solution that benefits both sides.
Yes, conflict doesn't have to be a negative. It can actually help strengthen relationship when handled well. This has been such a great conversation. Before we wrap up, any final thoughts on using communication for conflict resolution? Shaina?
Always listen before you react.
Leia?
Stay calm and be open to understanding different perspectives.
Jillian?
It's not about winning, it's about finding a solution.
And don't let small conflicts ruin great relationship. Communication is key.
Absolutely. Thanks again to my amazing guests and thanks to everyone watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, keep communicating effectively and resolving conflicts the right way.
Bye.